Tomorrow we're gonna play against a strong team. They are very good players. They changed the coach that already coached national team of Indonesia, so for sure bring quality. For sure opponent team players, they are with motivation very high because they want to show to this coach that they are good players. And tomorrow, of course, you can say that our team is tired, but I think if we want to be a good team and play good on the many competitions, we must sometimes be mental more strong and forget that we are tired. There's going to be for sure when I see that one or another player gets big risk of injury, for sure going to be another player to play. It's opportunity. And tomorrow we're going to try to change the history. Why I say this? Because if you remember, the last time that PSM Makassar win against Persib was 17 or 18 of August 2019, so already past 3 years. We know that's going to be very tough tomorrow because we know that the opponent team, the motivation is high, but I expect with our supporters that support us last matches, we can be a better team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sore rekan-rekan semua. Tentang kesiapan besok, yang pasti kami dan saya dan rekan-rekan sudah sangat siap untuk menjamu lawan Persib. Kita tahu Persib mempunyai banyak pemain yang bagus dan juga pelatih mereka berpelatih. Kita tahu Bismillah pernah melatih timnas Indonesia. Yang pasti rekan-rekan ingin memberikan yang terbaik untuk PSM dan masyarakat PSM. Itu aja.
Okay guys, let's open up.
Kenapa di atas 4?
Pink.
Kenapa di atas 4? Sini. Kenapa di atas 4? Ganjil di bawah 8. Ganjil di bawah 8. Ganjil di bawah 8.
Intensity boys, more intensity. Come on, next one, let's go. 5-2.
Mantap tariknya. Kanan. Tim kanan. Sabar.
No point. Give me the goal, yeah. Come on, boys, focus on the pass. Come on. Oh, you should. Look, not point. Okay, gents.
Manajer. Masa mau lupa. Anak ini